Katie baked a total of 1,120 almond, chocolate and vanilla cupcakes. After she gave away 50% of almond cupcakes, 60% of the chocolate cupcakes and 25% of the vanilla cupcakes, she had an equal number of almond, chocolate and vanilla cupcakes left. Okay, when I see this, let me use blue. When I see this, it reminded me of this concept called equal fraction after change, because this kind of problem sum type normally ends off with equal number of all the objects or identities. Yeah, and again you may ask, why is it called equal fraction after change? Why fraction but you only see percentages here? Can't you change percentages to fraction? And also, the common type of problem sum related to this concept always start off with fractions. Yeah, but in this case, the person who said this question wants you to show him how are you going to convert from percentage to fraction, and it's pretty easy, and it's something that you need to memorize. What is fraction in for 50%? Okay, it's half. Alright, something that you must know by heart. 60%, 3/5. 25%, 1/4. If you don't remember this, you will have to do the long way, which is 60/100, and you do simplification. And this is pretty slow, because compared to someone who can remember everything, they would have saved probably 1 to 2 minutes more than you. Okay, so how do you actually solve equal fraction after change? We will be using our in-house method called the tic-tac-toe. Yeah, so in this case, it's a grid with more layers because there are 3 items. So we have almond, chocolate and vanilla. Then we'll put the gave away in the second column, and left and equal from here on the third column. So gave away will be half, 3/5, 1/4, and everything is one whole, right? So to find how much almond cupcakes left, we will have 1 minus half, which is half. Then for chocolate cupcakes, we will have 1 minus 3/5, which is 2/5. And then for vanilla, we will have 1 minus 1/4, which is 3/4. Okay, so there is an explanation here that you can read by yourself, because it says equal left, but again you may ask me, we have 1 here, we have 2, we have 3, how can they be equal? Yeah, so all these are the equivalent fraction, and meaning that we need to make them, or the numerators, to be the same. So what is the first common multiple of 1, 2 and 3? Yes, you guessed it, is 6. Yeah, so let's look at the almond. Okay, again I redraw the grid here, and then you know that all this must be 6. Yeah, so 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, you have to do the same thing here, which is 1 times 6 and 2 times 6, which is 6/12. Okay, done. Then 2 times what to become 6? Times 3, right? So we have 2 times 3 to the top, and 5 times 3 to the bottom, so it's 6 over 15. Same thing here, times 3 times 3, okay? Then 3 times what is 6? 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 to the bottom, and 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so again, times 2, you follow suit. Okay, now, there's something that you must know about the denominator. We have 12, we have 15, and we have 8. And this represents the actual units of the almond cupcakes at first. So 12 units. The actual units of chocolate cupcakes at first, so we have 15 because we have 15 here. And vanilla cupcakes at first will be 8 units from here. Okay, so now we have this information. We need a number to help you to solve, right? And the only number that you can find will be, excuse me, we have 1,120. So 12 units plus 15 units plus 8 units will give you 1120. Okay, so 35 units is 1120. And then we will have 1 unit is actually 1120 divided by 35. And you need to tell your child that this is always the intermediate step. That is to find the value of 1 unit. So how many cupcakes does she have left? 6, 6, 6. So we have 18 units. You can take 18 units equals to 18 times 32, which will give you the same answer. Or you can take 6 units times equals to 6 times 32 and times 3 again. It's the same thing. Okay.